Then, all right, so I'm just gonna put your foot a little bit further on here, very good. All right, center ray, very easy because we will look at the light field. Put the center ray to the third metatarsal base of the third metatarsal. Oops. But then open up to include toe and heel. Now look at, I have this much light beyond the toe and this much light beyond the heel. This is not right at all, right? That tells you. I have this much light beyond the heel and just a little beyond the toe. So I'm over my cuneiforms, right? I need to be somewhere in this area. But I'm gonna move my two because I got my table at the wrong. So I just take the light, put it equal. Try to get it equal beyond both. All right, so toe, light, heel, light is pretty equal. And I do have light beyond the toe. And do you see this shadow? That's the shadow of the malleolus. You should always have it on there. And you should always have light beyond the heel. So you've got all of the anatomy of the foot on there. Open up, and we need room for the marker. So it's gonna go here. And you should have fairly equal light, all right? So that put this into ray, don't even look at the third. All right, just put equal light on both sides of your foot. All right, and that's what you can, but we do say it's at the base of the third metatarsal. All right, now we're gonna do oblique and lateral. So off goes the angle. Bring this up. And now the foot is pretty much a 30-degree medial oblique. Like I said, if you have a flat foot, you oblique less. If you have a real high instep arch, then you oblique more. But, you know, of course, we're going to do the standard 30. So we're going to roll you inward. All right, there we go, just like that. And we're thinking about the cuboid and laying it, you know, out fairly parallel to the image receptor. So since this light worked for the AP, it should work for this one. All right, light beyond heel, light beyond toe. I'm actually going to open up just a tad bit more light there. All right, 30-degree oblique. Marker almost always moves over here. You could leave it back there. 30-degree oblique foot. So we're good to go. And now we're going to do our lateral. Nope. So we need you to, extend your leg all the way out. Roll up on your side towards me. A little bit of flexion. Yep. A little bit of flexion here helps. And then we want to dorsiflex the foot. I'm just kind of putting it below the center because we're going to put the center ray somewhere in here. Again, equal light beyond heel and toe, and I don't have it, do I? I got more light beyond the heel. So that means the center ray is not where it should go. Get equal light beyond heel and toe. We're good. Now the reason why you have the toe has more ID, so it's more magnified. So you always have to open up a little bit more because the toe is longer on this one because of that. All right. Got my heel, got my great toe. Center ray is at the base of the third metatarsal. And remember I said there's no bones down here. So do we put the center ray down here? No. The metatarsals are angling steeply up to meet the cuneiforms. In fact, this isn't the base of the third metatarsal is meeting with the lateral cuneiform. So here's our marker, and the dorsiflexion is very important. So this is our lateral foot. All right, now, Allison, we'll get you off of there. Now sometimes you need a sponge underneath the knee.